Hey everyone, it's Sam here and I've got another tutorial to share with you. So this was from a Facebook mix and match. So I've combined the 6x6 Fabulous Flip die set with all of the gang. So it's all the fun characters that I've released over the past 2 years. So we've got Jerry the Giraffe, Horace, we've got Marty the Meerkat, we've got all those fun characters. They're all available as digital downloads now because they've been extremely popular. So after a few physical stamp releases, we've now brought out the digital stamps, but the die set's back in stock, so I'm using that one today. So I've just cut my frame. The black cardstock I had there was very lightweight, so I've just layered it on top of some white 300 GSM. I've cut 2 of the flip panels here and I'm just going over those score lines, and then I want to have the characters all in like a film strip, so I'm just cutting the frame from the edition set which came out with that collection, which is on the left there. You get all those different frames. Then I'm stamping all the characters and colouring them in. I only need just small parts of them, so some of them are coloured, most of it, but you'll see not all of it's coloured in because I end up cutting quite a lot of it away. So just simple colouring, and you can see all of this in real time over on Facebook, so I will link it below if you want to see, the colouring in more detail. The pencils I'm using are the Arteza expert pencils, I think these ones were. I did mix some of the Black Widow as well. I need to sort my pencils out, to be honest. So just really enjoyed colouring the characters. It's nice to sit down and bring out these older sets again, and like I always say, I want people to be able to enjoy what they purchase time and time again and just reinvent things with using them, mixing and matching. So that's why we do this series every Friday. Like I said, if you're on Facebook, pop over onto the Mixed Up Craft Facebook page and you will be able to find all of the craft alongs. I do a craft along on a Wednesday, 2 till 4, and then the Fridays tend to be 10 till 12, but that one's been changing a little bit, and I'm also trying to work around the schedule with my new puppy Monty, so yeah, sometimes it may vary. So just again, like easy colouring. I've kept all of the characters in on this one because people do like to see it. Sometimes I just skip across, but I just keep to like 2 or 3 colours per character. Keeps it easy then. You see, I just lay the frame over each time just to kind of get a rough idea of what I need to focus on colouring. But I think Jerry pretty much all got coloured. She's still one of my favourites. These 2 here are the first ones I ever brought out. And then you've got Horace there. It's his big cheesy grin. He's so close to the camera, and it just worked really well for this kind of camera selfie party card that I'm doing. So now I'm just cutting all the images out with that same frame that I used to cut the photo film, but this time I'm keeping the inside, and then I'm using the frames that I cut before. So I'm just laying out where I want everything to kind of go, and then I'm going to attach the flip parts here. So you just add the glue to the very small sections first. This is all in a different video tutorial. I have it already on the channel. So the actual main one showing you how to put this together step by step, much slower, are on the channel, and I will link them in the video. These videos are just inspirational ones just to give you ideas on how to use them with other things. So once they're stuck down, I'm then going and stamping all of I stamp the sentiment, and then I'm sticking down all of the characters there with the frame. So we've got Have a Snappy Birthday, and then we've got Jerry, Bo Bear and Eve the elephant on the front, and then they flip over, and then I'm having the sentiment Smile, and then we've got Marty, Heidi and Horace. So I tried to have, because I didn't realise, but I've got 2 brown, 2 kind of tan colour and 2 grey animals. So I've made sure I've got, one of each on the front and one of each on the back there. So you can see once you stick that down, it flips really nicely. And then I thought it would work brilliantly with all of the props. So we've got all the party props here. So I'm just playing around with like the glasses on the character. You've got the pipe there, moustache, little unicorn, horns. And I do stick some of those down. You've got the little hats there, you've got the pirate's hat. And then I'm having the sentiment on the inside. It says, birthday wishes, I think, from us all. And that's taken from the Woodland Animals set. It's just a nice one when you've got lots of different characters. And there's the finished card close up. So just a couple of photos there for you to see each side. So how it looks closed. And then when you open it up, you get the wonderful characters. So thank you for watching. As always, all the product will be linked in the description box below. And I'll be back again very soon. Take care. Bye.